long me hungry. Count how much in there. 1, 2, 3. Alright, 10.
Oh man.
New juice to my shop.
Bunk? Wait the bunk, wait.
Awa!
Bigger one.
Bigger one of what? Bigger one of which biscuit? Pepper. Me tell you talk to you no man. Come here with me. How you eat so like? How you eat so like a dosa? Oh! You so cream. You so dunce. You need to go over your head and take up a book and read and put it in a big head there. Eh?
Just about dunce.
Yeah. What about dunce?
Month in a week.
12.
12.
Yeah.
You dunce.
How you call dunce? Go over your head.
2 hours later.
Jesus Christ, you know how long you boy if you cut them, you can't taste on a biscuit.
Oh God, I stress out. I hunger kill me. My word. My word, oh God, hunger kill me.
Can't find this. Yeah, Cripper, come in, man. Come in. Where are you, sir? Come in, man. Sit down, man. Sit down. Look how long me not see, man.
Brother, I know. I'm a TV biscuit for you, brother.
Fried TV biscuit for me?
One biscuit.
Yeah.
Hunger kill me.
Hunger kill you. See, you don't know over here for them. Eh? See, you look like you just done them, so all them out look shine.
And you're not, man.
You don't know nothing.
Brother, I'm hungry for back yesterday.
Back yesterday.
I'll stammer me,
Yeah? So, how I make you come, Missy comes for your mouth?
Just now come to me. I shouldn't have brushed my teeth this morning.
Do you not brush your teeth?
Yeah.
You sure you lie?
Yeah.
And your mouth smell so?
I'm not brush my teeth.
You smell like you put like a cold grape in your teeth or something.
I'm here, man. You try to jam me up, brother. I'm not brush my teeth this morning. Alright, I tell you the truth.
Yeah, what shoot you want to tell me now? What's you do over bush again?
No.
What's you give me smarty biscuit?
No, me dey walk on the road and find a royal biscuit.
Yeah! A royal biscuit?
Yeah, man, royal biscuit.
Jesus Christ. I got to say you did want a royal biscuit now. When your team royal biscuit now, but it look like it's scrumptious. it look tastes
Super
good.
clashy sauce.
So how you find that royal biscuit just put on so? You're nasty, you know, boy.
Brother, I find me if I miss me here.
Yeah?
Like, wait for me.
Sit down, put up nice! you sure?
Yeah, me sure.
Alright. No, see, alright, man. See, now go eat a Sunday dinner.
Yeah, man, me I go back.
Because I know say it's a cream boy and hurry up one, man. No, hurry up, man. Sometimes you're too beg, you know. Sometimes boy, you go and say, messy with a biscuit. Jesus Christ!